Hi friend, welcome to my vlog, and this vlog is about the Bloomingdale Manhattan location and also about little bit about Manhattan. I will show you guys how to shop smart, and that's the way you can purchase your favorite designer items on your budget. I always love Manhattan. This place for me, it's a magic place. There's a lot of places to visit if you guys come to Manhattan. Huge buildings, financial district, Diamond Street, Times Square, Chinatown. In future vlogs I will show you guys more details about those places. Now come to the Bloomingdale location. This is like a huge building. You guys can buy all the designers, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Burberry, all the brands and look at those beautiful shoes. I love these shoes are huge, like the big huge. Now come to the clinique. That why I was at the Bloomingdale, and I purchased something for my skin over there. And they have a tablet. They detect my skin. They gave me correct foundation, what I was looking for my skin, and match my skin tone. And look, and other beautiful shoes. I love those shoes. Okay, so we are back to my home now, and I will show you guys what I purchased that day for the Bloomingdale. So I went to the Mac over there. I forgot to make a video for the Mac location, and these are the items I purchased over there. And I bought a prep primer. This is good for your skin. Like after you finish your makeup, just spray over, so your makeup will stay on your skin. And it's also hydrate. And I also purchased a strobe cream. The next to the primer, there's a strobe cream. I never used this Mac prep primer before, but I will try and I will let you guys know. I heard about a lot on social media about the Mac this prep primer. So when you are done with your makeup, just spray, so your makeup will stay longer, hydrated, and it's look fresh for a fresh look. I will try and I will let you guys know how it's worked for me. Now this is another Mac product, strobe cream, and they have like different colors for a gold, pink, and this color. So I choose this because this is like closer to my skin. So that's why I chose this. And before I put my foundation, I have to use this for luminous and glowy skin. Let's see how it's worked for me. I never used this before, but I also read and a lot of reviews about this product, so that's why I decided to let's go and buy. So I purchased it. And if you guys already using the Mac these products, please let me know how was your experience, and what else you guys love to buy from Mac. Okay, and I also went to a Estee Lauder. I have a good experience with Estee Lauder before. I used Estee Lauder creams before, and their quality are amazing. Like they like really good quality. So I was looking a eye cream because a lot of, especially phone, internet, whatever we are using those days too much. So my eyes like the dark and the circles. So that's why I was looking this, and I purchased this. I will show you guys how was experience with this one. Okay, so this is the fun part. When we were at Estee Lauder, there is special something going on the location. So they gave me this beautiful bag. Look at the bag. This is such a cute bag. Look at the inside. I love the color. I love the pattern. I love the flowers and everything, whatever they have, and the quality is like really good. So what they add in this little bag, this is like goodie bags, kind of goodie bags, small goodie bags. Okay, so there was I was asking the girl like what else you recommend for my skin. So she was showing me some about a serum. There's a serum Estee Lauder Perfectional Pro treatment and plus vitamin C. So she gave me some samples. She gave it to me at least 3 samples, and with this it came a lipstick, mascara, eye cream, neck cream, and perfectly cleanser. And look at those diamonds, look at them like a little stars. All the months like January to December, everything is here. So they add everything in this bag, and these stuff, the small stuff, it's I don't pay anything. I didn't pay for this anything. This is just with the thing. And so when I went to the clinic, I also purchased over there. So my foundation, I showed you guys already. I purchased, and I also was looking a hydrator. So this is a hydrated cream moisturizer gel. I used this before. I have like a really good review about this. I love this product. This moisturizer, it's kind of a gel kind of a moisturizer, but this like illuminates your skin, and it's like really good. It's like I have this experience before, so that's what I purchased over there. And also there's a like small cute bag again, and these are the products was inside this cute bag: mirror, lipstick, cleanser, scrub, blush, and other cream, hydrating cream, and there's a cute spray. So these all came with this my purchase. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, share if you guys like my videos, and I will see you guys in next video.